In this video, we will show you how to replace the skid shoes on a Husqvarna 2-stage snowblower. Always remove the ignition key before servicing the snowblower. To replace the skid shoes, first lift up the auger housing and support it with a block of wood. That way the skid shoe is off the ground. Then remove the bolts holding the skid shoes to the auger housing. Install a new skid shoe back onto the auger housing by reinserting the bolts. Before you tighten the bolts, adjust the skid shoes to your preferred height. If you want to clear snow as close to the ground as possible, position the skid shoe higher on the auger housing so the scraper blade will be closer to the ground to clear more snow. Once you've selected your height, hold the skid shoe in place and tighten the bolts. And that's how to replace the skid shoes on a Husqvarna 2-stage snowblower.